Good morning, everyone, and I'm preparing breakfast right now. And for this breakfast, you just need some milk, some yogurt, some chia seeds, and some fruits. That's it. So, here I'm soaking some chia seeds, and I'll be soaking them for a good 5 minutes. So here I'm taking low fat yogurt, but you can use any yogurt. You can use vanilla, strawberry, blueberries, whichever you like. There's so many flavors out there at the supermarket and store, so you can use any one which you want. And here I'll be using some chia seeds. I'm using at least 1 to 2 spoons of chia seeds, which were already soaked. So it's time to mix chia seeds, and then we'll be adding some fruits on top of it. So here I'm adding some cinnamon, and I'll just sprinkle it over, and it will just make it more yummier, and it is also healthy. And then after, I'll be adding some whipped cream in a smaller portion. Like, I will not be adding too much of whipped creams. I just like to keep like sugar, like some sugary things really in less quantity, so I do not add too much, but I'll be adding little bit to it. And then after, you can melt the chocolate, and you can just add some chocolate, or if you have a chocolate syrup, you can add the chocolate syrup as well. And if you work out and you drink protein shake, and if you would like to add protein powder, you can sprinkle some protein powder, and it will give extra flavor to it. It will just make it more yummier, more healthier, and adding protein powder will make it like more yummy. So if you're working out, you can add some protein powder in it as well.
Good job, Mom. Where were you, Mom? I know you exactly. Exactly, Mommy.
So here I've taken a little bit of milk, and I'll be adding some oats. So here I'm preparing cereal bowl, and for that I'm using the oats. Like, you can use any kind of oat, or cereal. Like, there are different brands in the market. You can use any of the favorite ones which you have. Here I'm using the regular cereal, and this doesn't have any sugar. They are really plain ones. They doesn't come with any flavor. They are not sugary. and I'll be adding some chia seeds which were soaked for 5 minutes. Then after, I'll be adding some fruits, and if you're working out, you can add some protein powder in it, and it will give really nice flavor to it, and you will really enjoy it. And it is also very healthy because we are using a lot of fruits, chia seeds, and some oats. And I guess it is a very healthy breakfast which we have prepared. And if you want, you can add some whipped cream and some chocolate on top of it, and it will be like really yummy. It will just really taste yummy, and it will be a really nice breakfast. So hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, you can subscribe to my channel over here and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe guys.